Thanks a lot, Shelley. Hey, while you guys got connected to the web, Van and I met up with Dr. Ali Omar. He's a scientist who studies the atmosphere using satellites. And hopefully he'll be able to convince Van of the importance of keeping his car emissions low.
Thanks, Jennifer. First of all, let me welcome you to Hampton University's Computer Lab, where some of our students are studying atmospheric science.
So, Dr. Omar, how does Picasso-Cena measure aerosols in the atmosphere?
Well, Van, of all the aerosol measuring systems you have seen, LIDAR, SAGE-2, and the aerosol sampler used by students at St. Stephen's School have their uses, but they also have their limitations. Picasso-Cena is being developed for launch in 2003 to give us a more complete picture of our atmosphere. The Picasso-Cena mission will greatly improve our understanding of the nature and magnitude of radiative effects of aerosols and clouds. There are many uncertainties as to whether a cloud heats or cools the Earth's surface. This is due to inadequate knowledge of how cloud layers are distributed within the atmosphere. Picasso-Cena will help us obtain more complete observations of cloud distributions and properties. Picasso-Cena will also use LIDAR in combination with an instrument called a spectrometer. The spectrometer is a passive remote sensing instrument that measures the radiance of scattered sunlight. Using both LIDAR and spectrometer observations will provide us with a more accurate measure of aerosol and cloud properties than either technique alone. Changes in climate are inevitable, but the rapid pace of change that may be starting to take place presents a potential threat to our planet. The new knowledge from Picasso-Cena will improve our ability to make accurate predictions about these changes. Predictions to help world leaders define policies that affect us all. So you see, Van, a little bit of emissions from your car combined with all the other emissions affect us all. We know the world's population is growing, and there are certain things we need to do now in order to protect our environment. One of those things is getting your catalytic converter fixed.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Dr. Omar, for all your help.
Thanks a lot, Dr. Omar.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. Well, we'd like to thank everyone who helped out with today's show, especially all the students who were in the program, the NASA researchers, Hampton University, and of course, Dr. Shelley Canright. If you would like a videotaped copy of this NASA Connect show and the Educator's Guide lesson plans, contact CORE, the NASA Central Operation of Resources for Educators. All this information and more is located on the NASA Connect website. So, for Van and the rest of the NASA Connect crew, I'm Jennifer Pulley. So Van, what are you going to do?